Logix Studio is a rapid application construction tool that can be used to build a complete application from existing building blocks called components. A Logix Studio application is created by selecting existing components from a library. Each application component is configurable to provide specific functionality to the application. The application user interface is constructed by adding one or more component views to the Logix Studio canvas. The user interface can be rearranged and resized to suit the needs of the application end user. For a pan and tilt tour-based infrared application, we have chosen several vision components, pan and tilt components, and an I/O component. Create any number of tool regions to overlay on an image with or without min and max temperature values. Several display options are available to control the tool region overlay appearance. Change the position or size of any region simply by dragging the tool region image. The properties of a tool region can easily be modified to improve the visibility of the tool overlay on certain types of images. Tool region shapes can easily be changed to one of several common shapes. Tool region shapes appear in a drop-down menu. While common shapes are available, a user-defined polygon shape is available to create a complex region of interest. Communicate with industrial I/O systems via discrete I/O signals or Ethernet-based I/O to PLCs. I/O input functions are easily assigned using pull-down menu selections. Flexible I/O output functions allow for easy communication of alarm conditions to external industrial systems. Tool region measurements can be displayed and limit testing applied for warning or error conditions. The industrial I/O output indicates a warning condition because the tool region temperature has exceeded the normal range. When the measurement falls within the warning range, the indicators are yellow in the table and on the image. When the measurement comes back into normal range, the indicators on the image turn green, and the industrial I/O output indicates a pass condition. Image snapshots, complete with overlay, tool region graphics, and measurement data, can be recorded to disk at a user-defined rate. Flexible recording options allow for saving images continuously, periodically, or only when an alarm condition exists. In this example, recording is armed, but will not begin recording images to disk until the alarm condition exists. The images are recorded every 1 second until the alarm condition no longer exists. When the alarm condition is no longer present, recording pauses. Recording will resume if the alarm condition recurs. Notice that the industrial I/O output indicator has changed to pass, since the alarm condition no longer exists. Measurement data can be plotted and recorded to disk continuously, periodically, or only when an alarm condition exists. Automatic disk management retains the most recent log files. The number of log files to retain is fully configurable. Measurements that appear on the plot legend will also appear in the log file. In this case, atom I/O, power supply, element A, and element B all appear on the plot legend and will also appear in the log file. In this case, we have configured the logger to write measurements to the log file for every image that is acquired. Let's open the log file on disk and take a quick look at the contents of the file. Measurements are stored in standard CSV format to allow for quick and easy import into Microsoft Excel or other analytical tools. The CSV file contains a header record that indicates the names of the columns that appear in the file. After the header record, each CSV record contains a date and timestamp column and a column for every measurement that appeared on the plot legend. Large areas can be monitored with a pan and tilt module that supports an unlimited number of tour stops for taking measurements. Each row in the tour stop table represents a tour stop. Each tour stop describes a specific pan and tilt location, plus camera focus information and dwell time. After the last row in the tour stop table has been executed, the tour resumes at the first table entry. SmartLogix applications are deployed in fully ruggedized industrial enclosures using state-of-the-art embedded technologies.